So we're back out in California, following Route 66. We're doing the entire distance. You've already seen 3 or 4 videos come up, and we've reached Barstow, California. All the memorabilia that Elmer had put up over the years. Elmer recently passed away in the past few years, but he built one of the most iconic roadside attractions in the United States. All out of bottles, metalwork, and love.
Yes.
He didn't get paid for this.
No.
This was just a hobby.
Are you guys ready to cruise the mother road?
We are.
Okay, let's get out there in that car. Let's turn the key on. Let's put the pedal on the metal. Let's throw it in gear. And let's leave rubber all the way down Route 66. If you ever plan to motor west, highway, take the highway, it's a bed. Get your kicks on Route 66.
Hi everyone. We've actually got out of the Los Angeles area now. We are at one of the most iconic places out here on Route 66. Welcome to Elmer's Bottle Tree Ranch. Who's Elmer? I'm going to put the description here, and you can read about him, and I'll tell you about him later. And you can see the Bottle Tree Ranch. A lot of stickers.
Yeah.
What do you think, Kathy? I think a traveling tramp sticker would look good right here.
Yes. It's just a high tisk.
A high tower.
Yes.
Welcome. Come on in. Should we go check this place out, Kathy?
Yeah, we have.
Yeah.
He's PPP.
We have been here before,
B.
but it was before the YouTube days. So we are back down. So we're back out in California, following Route 66.
Yes.
We're doing the entire distance. You've already seen 3 or 4 videos come up, and we've reached Barstow, California. All the memorabilia that Elmer had put up over the years. Elmer recently passed away in the past few years, but he built one of the most iconic roadside attractions in the United States. All out of bottles, metalwork, and love.
Yes.
He didn't get paid for this.
No.
This was just a hobby.
No.
And you can see one of the most iconic places here.
This here.
It's a pulley.
Yeah.
Pull up some chain. Probably old railroad stuff would be my guess. But that's all it is a guess.
Yeah.
You're the licensed train engineer. And some old typewriters. an old Willys, which actually predated the Jeeps, Kathy. It's the father of the Wranglers. But this was a Willys back in, wouldn't become Jeep till later on. Still the old Willys insignia on it. And it is right here at the Bottle Tree Ranch.
Yes. Yes.
Looks like it needs some new upholstery.
Yeah.
Other than that, should be good to go.
Yes. 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 About the
This must have taken Elmer a lot of years to put together. Yeah. Old tires. An old saw blade.
Yeah, that's plain. Look around.
And here's something that you don't see every day. Leave us a comment down below because I have no clue what that is.
Oh. This is good.
Do you like this place?
Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Pretty neat.
Here. This is wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Oh, wonderful, 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 wonderful.
You like the green, you like the colored glass, all different colors.
Yes, yes, yes.
Use green, blues, beer bottles, soda bottles. The Corona Extra. Unrelated.
Yeah.
Unrelated to what's been going on in the last few years.
This power is wonderful. Wonderful.
Now here's some different type of glass. I guess they are bottles.
Yes. Yes. There. Is his. Oh my gosh. I don't want that. Oh, please somebody here in case
An old purse.
he would be.
Like my shadow's in the way.
We get whaley on it.
An old purse out here. It is a display. Nobody lost it, or they might have lost it long ago. We are right on the side of Route 66.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes.
The old Texaco. The old Texaco gasoline sign. Filling station. No gas here.
No. Here.
An old menu. Can't see the prices very well. Looks like the most expensive thing might have been about 35 cents. Yep, that might say a chili dog for $1 and a steak sandwich for 85 cents. That isn't that old,
Wow.
because I can remember chili dogs for 19 cents at A&W.
Where is she? Where is she?
The Sidewinder well is only 4 miles away.
Yes.
So many interesting things here. 29 Palms. This is 5 miles away. The Automobile Club of Southern California. I don't know how many of you are AAA members.
We did. And Daddy did that.
Yes.
I'm still.
To visit the Bottle Tree Ranch, it is free, but you can see that they take some donations here, so you can, donate some money. We're going to see if they have a website online. We're going to see if they have a website. See if there's a place you can make donations to keep this wonderful part of history alive. But we will get a link in the description here, and in a way that you can possibly make donations.
Yes, I do.
Yes, we will.
Good stuff.
Old Coca-Cola cooler. Don't open it, Kathy.
Even you got this instead of
Yeah, it's
I don't want it to break.
ripping.
I don't know.
And here's some old broken bottles. Pepsi-Cola, Knee-High. I think Knee-High is pretty much a thing of the past.
Yeah.
Dr. Pepper, an old Coke bottle. These are the 6.5 ounce Coke bottles, which were still around.
Yes.
They were still around when we were kids. They were still around when we were kids.
No, this is the.
You left a deposit.
Here they are.
You left a deposit back in the 60s, late 50s for the Coke bottles and any of the other bottles. And then
Yes. In the tins.
they gave you your deposit back when you returned them. Again, unrelated to what was going on here in the recent years.
Yes.
So it's a wonderful part of America's past. Route 66 history. Big smile. So we want to thank you all for watching our trip here to Route 66. The Elmer's. We want to thank you all for watching our trip to Elmer's famous, iconic Bottle Tree Ranch right here on Route 66.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Love y'all. Beautiful place.
Yeah.
Well worth a visit. One of the most iconic places here on Route 66.
I'll take this.
And we hope you come along with us on the upcoming videos. This will be about the 5th or 6th video in the series. And we're heading east all the way to Chicago. Love y'all.
Keep me.
I'll keep you. Love y'all.